Hello everyone, I'm Victor from MonChart, and today I will show you how to connect Stripe to MonChart and turn your subscription and revenue data into a live dashboard you can share anywhere. First, sign in to MonChart or create free account. Open your profile page and click Connect Stripe. Just here. Follow the link to Stripe and create a restricted API key with read-only permission. Copy the key, paste it into MonChart placeholder here and save it. And after that you will see something like that. This is one-time setup. Your API key is encrypted and MonChart automatically keeps your charts up to date. Now let's build a dashboard. Open boards and click Add Tile and choose Stripe. MonChart includes 10 built-in revenue metrics. You can visualize monthly recurrent revenue, annual recurrent revenue, revenue at a time, revenue growth, revenue by plan, churn rate, churn MRR, new versus churn subscription, new customers by month, failed payment. Select the charts you want and click Add All. After your charts are ready, generate an AI summary. Choose a time range and MonChart highlights important revenue trends, customer growth and subscription changes. When your dashboard is ready, click Publish or make it private. You can also switch it back to private at any time. Right now my board is public. Share your dashboard with a public link or embed into any websites. Enable auto-sync to refresh your Stripe data automatically. Choose how often MonChart updates your dashboard, so your revenue charts stay current without manual work. Stripe is available with MonChart Premium. If you don't have Premium yet, start a free 7 days free trial. And explore Stripe together with Jira, Salesforce, Zendesk, Google Analytics, YouTube, GitHub and other integrations. Connect your Stripe account, publish your first live revenue dashboard and start sharing business insights with your team or customers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.